You know, I'm always looking for something that will make better motorcycle content. Let me show you what 00 Robotics sent to me, and it's in my pocket. It's this incredible HOVERAir. Man, this thing is so cool. I'm going to show you 3 great modes I see there would be a specific use for and how it could change my motorcycle content. This does have 15 modes, and you can control it by the app. I do have the HOVERAir beacon. Stay with me. Here we go. I'm going to tell you all about this and how it can definitely level up your motorcycle content. Put it on the Dolly track. It's going to be out in front of us. I'm going to go to, let's go to Dolly track. I'm going to show you 3 modes. There's Dolly track. We'll tap the button. We'll put it out in front of us. Man, this thing just excites me. Let's get going here. You can see it on the beacon. Let's get going. And we're going to actually do a speed test with it. There is the HOVERAir. Is that not incredible? We're going to take it around the parking lot a little bit here. It does have front and back detection. That is so freaking cool. Now, we'll tell you honestly, it does have front and back detection, but it does not have side detection. Would I take this out on the road? No. The speed is 26 mile an hour with burst up to 36, 37 mile an hour, but we're going to check that out today. I'm going to see how fast I can actually go with it, but it will stay right there. And you talk about rollers, everybody wants to get a roller. Look at that thing. I mean, you can get some killer shots. It can follow you from the side. It's got a cycling mode where it'll follow you from the back. Let me show you that next. It doesn't matter where you go, it's going to track you. It's got A&I tracking. Let's do a spin around here and see how it reacts. Here we go. There's the HOVERAir. That is so freaking cool. You know, there's been so many shots that I've wanted to get doing motorcycle reviews, and I didn't have nobody that could really go with me consistently. See it out there? Whoop, missed that tree. That is freaking cool, man. Look at this thing. I'm going to show you follow mode or cycling mode. Let me get it back. I will tell you one thing that you do need to know. Turn this off. To bring the HOVERAir back to you, you put your arms up and cross them. Put your hand out. Wow. Let's go to the next mode. Follow. It is in the follow mode. I hope you can see that. Let me make sure it's recording. It does not like these gloves. For some reason, it does not have the haptic where you can work it on a touchscreen. So that's probably it. But that beacon is really cool. And if you were to lose it, they do have a HOVERAir Care program. But here we go. I'm going to tap it. It is on follow mode. I hope you can see that on the screen. We'll tap it. Nope, that's Dolly track. We'll go back. It switched off. Tap it. Here we go. We're going to go by it. Let's see if it follows us. I've only messed with this for about 20 minutes. So let's see. There we are. Look at that. And you're seeing the backside profile of me. Let's take it through the parking lot. Man, this thing, I could see a million uses for this. One of them that comes to mind immediately is when you pull up with all your friends and you're in a group, you could have it do an orbit. I'm going to turn around and we are going to get it. And I'm going to show you an orbit. Show you the orbit mode. And this is one that I could really see. Pull it out of your pocket and have it circle around you and your buddies when you're sitting somewhere. We'll put it, it's on follow now. We'll do it on orbit. We'll put our hand out. Let me make sure it's recording. It is recording. You can see on the beacon. That'll help you find it. Also too, this does have a return to home. I hope you can see that right there, that home button. I did have to get off the bike on the last mode, turn around, put my hand out, and it did land on my hand. Let's put it in orbit. Here we go. 13 feet. This is going to be a 13-foot orbit. There's what it looks like on the beacon. There it goes. It's starting to orbit. Is that not a cool shot for YouTube? Can you imagine all your buddies sitting around you? I did have the orbit set to 180. It's coming in. Say she wanna come and see me when I'm in a local city. I'm like, pause though, please step aside so they can see me. And I walk up in this light. Yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like. I did turn around and get that. That is too freaking cool. Let's turn it on spiral. Let's check out spiral there. Probably can't see that with the sun on there, but it says spiral. Let's check that out. 13 feet. I believe the spiral mode is where it goes up and spirals up. Here it goes. That is a next level shot right there for YouTube. And I'm going to tell you, me being as creative as I am, and I'm not the best, these are the kind of shots right here that make people stay on your channel. Is that not freaking cool or what? HOVERAir, man, thanks a million for sending me this. Look at this. Right back in front of me. Put my hand out. Here we go. That's so cool, man. If you're liking this video, make sure you leave a comment. There will be a link in the video to buy one of these. The next one we're going to do is the speed test. We're going to have it follow. 360 degree spin, dolly track. Here we go. There's the follow mode. Trying to get that on the camera for you. Make sure this is recording. And we're going to do a 26-mile-an-hour test with it. You want to watch a speedometer, you can watch all these at the same time. Everything's recording. I think this is next level because I use this every time I use my forward-facing camera on my helmet. Here we go. I tell you what, let me put my glove on. Here we go. We'll push the button once. Let's give this thing the 26-mile-an-hour test. Here we go. It spun around. It's got us. Speedometer. It is not super windy. We're going to turn down this front part. And I believe there's 26 mile an hour, 27. It still got us. 26 mile an hour, still got us. No problem. It says it will do up to 37 mile an hour burst. I don't know if I would really depend on that 37 mile an hour burst. I'll tell you what, let's try a little bit faster and see when it loses us. Here we go. We're up to 30 mile an hour. It still got us. 32. I don't know. It might be really stable above 30. Let's go back out here. And like I said on the last shot, I did have to get off the bike and get it. Turn around and get it. There it is. Man, is that not freaking cool or what? I'm going to show you how I get it on the follow mode. It's out back there. Let me jump off. So there it is. It's still got us fixed in the camera. Put your hand under it. Man, HOVERAir, next level stuff. Let's do another one just for fun. Ski mode, spiral, bird's eye, 30 feet, bird's eye. There it goes. Man, is that not freaking cool or what? This thing is awesome. There's a million things you could do with it. There's going to be links in my video to purchase one. Zero Robotics HOVERAir, thank you so much for sending this to me to review. Would I buy one if you hadn't sent me one? Yes. Matter of fact, look at this. It's right over the same place it was when it took off. Awesome, awesome stuff. If you like this kind of content or you're trying to figure out how to make your own content, man, make sure you're subscribed. HOVERAir, a buy or a pass? This is definitely a buy product for making video content on motorcycles. I do 2 videos a week, new rides and product reviews. We'll see you on the next one. God bless.
Yeah, I'm really talking my shit like I'm really him on God. Walk up in this like, yeah, I'm really talking my shit like I'm really him. Hold up, look, walking this like, hey. Yeah, I'm really talking my shit like, hey, I'm really him. Hold up.